Take command of the road in the 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.